Out of bounds. Into you. Let's go. To the house. Faster.
Let's go, Kobe.
Jeff. One more. Right there.
5, 4, 3.
Over. Listen up.
Yeah.
Combo Z, Ryan. Rush directly from the middle, right at the center, and stop and guard him.
Okay.
Okay? You're rushing from the side and pushing him. Listen, we saw this on tape. If he ever comes up under the center, he's doing a little quick pitch. So everyone needs to bite down. It's only 1 yard. To the closest one to you. Okay? Give him, it's all right. Give him space, give him space.
4 to 1. 1, 4, 3, 2. Yeah!
That's why we use that timeout.
That was a good timeout.
Hey, when in doubt, it's you, Aaron. Got you here. Got you here.
1, 4, 2.
Double.
Robert.
1, 4, 3, 5, 4.
That's all we needed, halfway.
On the short inside. Go to the
You good, bro? We bang these.
My time. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3.
Oh, tackled.
The C or the?
You take the 2, I'll take the 1. You got the C.
Okay.
Not bad. Not bad.
5, 4, 3.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
One.
You can change it. Not the same side every time. Ooh. Fucking right.
Play basketball.
Stay, Robert, stay. Good game, boys. If he comes up under center, back up, Robert. Good throw, Q. Robert. Stay, Robert, stay. I got him.